Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. I have mail call. So, actually, I got two mail calls. One I got a while back, and I've mentioned it twice on some of my live streams, but I actually haven't done a mail call for it specifically, and so I've been slacking. I apologize to Joe and Amy Alton for taking so long. I got the package from a while back, and in the package here, I got a couple things. So, first thing I got, some masks. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 masks. And I got their newest and greatest book, Alton's Pandemic Preparedness Guide. So, and what's really special about this is, if I can get it open to the front, to the cover page here, it is autographed by them. So that was that's the first mail call. And so it's, on the back, is what the back cover looks like. And so you got Joe and Amy. And so that was the first mail call item for this mail call. Put that back in the bag here. And get it put away nice and safe here off to the side. Well, the other one just came and surprised the heck out of me because it came from Amazon, and I'm looking at it. It's like, whoa, what did I order from Amazon? Oh, I was about ready to cut open the front, and then I realized the back is, uh-oh. So pop open the back and take a look, see what we got in here. And it is the 6-in-1 knife sharpener and survival tool that I won from Sand Hollow Homestead. That's from Butch up there, or over there. He's west of me on the west side of the state of Idaho. And so this is what it is. And so it has coarse and fine sharpening on it. Has it calls it a fish hook sharpener, but it's like it's a round. If I get here to focus on it, it's a round like diamond embedded rod here, tapered. So you probably use it for more things than that. And then at the top, this little orange thing comes out is looks like it's a ferrule rod. And then the bottom here, you blow and it's a whistle. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm not sure what number 6 is. Coarse, fine, fire starter. It only lists, it says 6, but I only see it only lists 5 on the side here as well. But I was looking at it, and it got all thumbs up all over the place on Amazon, and 4.7, 4.8 on its reviews. So let's carefully here pop this bad boy out. Let's open it up here where I can get it to come out using my utility knife. I could probably sharpen on it. Let's pop this out and see what it looks like here. Trying to do it without cutting myself. Put it on the table here. Ugh. There we go. That's coming loose a little bit. I should have got my one grandson to get it out. Childproof packages aren't childproof for him. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the package. So this is your little bitty ferrule rod here, and so there's your rod for sharpening fish hooks. The whistle. Ooh. Yeah. Trying to think what else. See on what else that be here. Not sure what else it could have on it here, but there's that put together. So I'm trying to see this. Reading on here is trying to see what the number 616 thing is. Fire starter. So I get so on it the coarse one is carbide, the fine one is ceramic. Yeah, I can't see what number 6 is on here. Yeah, interesting. It says 6 and 1, but I only see 5 and 1. Looks good though. It feels good. You know, it's not flimsy. It's, you know, nice and strong here. And so yeah, but I can't see what number 6 is supposed to be on here. This orange piece here does not come off at all. So not sure what number 6 is supposed to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you know, whistle's number 5. So I can't. There's no magnifying glass. This piece here does not come off. Yeah, that's fire starter. Yeah. Well, anyways, it looks real cool, and I will give it a workout, and I will test it out later on stuff, and I'll let you guys know how it works. So this is from Butch at Sand Hollow Homestead, and so I'm going to go over it, and I'll get other fish. Okay, so I guess you're supposed to be able to sharpen 2 different things with this, besides fish hooks, a gutting knife, but still, that's one tool, but they're probably counting it twice there. It looks like it. Now, it's got a built-in lanyard hole. Ooh. But, yeah. Yeah, I really can't find, it doesn't even list number 6 on it. So, oh well, so it's actually a 5-in-1 knife sharpener and survival tool. So we'll set that off to the side here. And cool. So that's the mail call for today. And we will be seeing you later on in another video later this week. And as always, everyone out there, if you have a garden, great, expand it. If you don't have a garden, start some sort of garden, even if it's a bucket garden or a wall garden. You need to get a garden going. So everyone out there, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video. All righty? Okay, bye.